Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Huawei Honor Play 7 to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Clone It. Then open it, click Allow and agree. You want to go with sender on Huawei and receiver on an Android. Tap Allow again and click Search again. Tap on available device and from here you have two ways to connect. You can scan QR code or input password. I will tap to scan, click Allow and scan the code. Click OK to accept connection request and wait. Normally you want to tap all of those folders and click Start to send all of your files, but I will go just with one file, so I will click here to choose details, go with music, and for example send this one song. So I have to tap on it, click Start, OK and wait. Then tap Finish. And now when I go into, for example, folder Files or Downloads and choose Audio, I can see that my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!